Hi there. Whew. Today we're unboxing this Solheim side table, and I got it from my office. I have a little recliner and I wanted a little side table to put next to it. So I ordered this table to just put my drinks or my iPad while I'm sitting on the recliner or my Kindle. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Slicing it open. I always get nervous opening it with a knife because you can scratch the products inside. So let's see. All right, this is what it looks like. There was some foam in there, so it wasn't right up against the cardboard, and it did not get scratched, luckily. C table, I guess. And it comes with the C, a bunch of heavy-duty screws, and the top and bottom pieces. And I like because it matches this table that I use for filming pretty well. So I am going to put together this side table that I got from Amazon today. I got it from my office to help with, just to make it look a little nicer. And let me match up the screws. So it looks like this is the top part. Or maybe I should put the bottom part on first. All right, this is the bottom. Oh, it's backwards. No, it's still not. Does it go this way? Let me look at the instructions. These holes don't align, so that's not good. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I think it goes like this. All right, that's how it goes. Let's put these screws in. This is not right. I gotta find, it takes an Allen wrench, and it does come with the Allen wrench, so that's good. I thought it was gonna be a screwdriver, and I'd have to dig in my tool shed for the screws. So these are the screws that it comes with. Beep, 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 beep. Can you see? All right. And then I can't wait to see it in my office. Oh, all right, I'm gonna put these screws in. So I'm just gonna put the first two outer screws in. Oh, that was really easy. Gotta be harder. And then I'll put in the other two inner screws. Super easy to assemble. Let me see, where's my phone? Okay, and then I tighten in the screws. Okay, now we have the bottom on nicely, and we'll put on the top. Whoop, I think this one goes like this. Yes. All right, now we'll put on the top. Oh my God. Oh, excuse me. I forgot to take off my second camera. The real life of an Amazon reviewer. This is really wobbly. Where is that hole? I can't find my hole. There we go. I think that's in. I think. Feels like it. And then this one feels like it's in. Then I'll put this one. So I'm going to put them all in first and then tighten it. Get it kind of caught in the, I don't know what those windy things are. Screw, I don't know what they're called. So my office is pink and white, and I just wanted to add some natural wood in here to warm up the space. Oh, did I mess that up? All right, there we go. I'm nervous this is gonna fall on my head. Last one, and then I'll tighten it all up. Okay, and this is what the final piece looks like in my chair, by my chair. I can't wait to use it and put some accessories on it and make it look cute.